Good morning everybody and welcome back. I posted a picture last night or yesterday afternoon of this Varadero that's been stood for 5 years. As to, would anybody like to hazard a guess as what could be the issue or the main issue? Maybe a couple of other little ones we might come across later down the line. But at the minute there was nothing there, no power, no nothing. It wouldn't start, there was nothing on the button. Yes, the battery was dead. But I've got a dummy battery here that I use for diagnostic work, so that's all bolted on. Still no power to the, we had power to the clock, to the actual digital clock, but nothing else. And it turns out it was the ignition. Inside the ignition there's a little plate with a couple of little brass, pads on. Normally I would be able to clean them up, but the ignition was so corroded and so rusted I couldn't dismantle it. It broke when I was taking it apart. So another one's been ordered, so that's pretty straightforward stuff. Why the camera's this far away is I've bypassed the ignition, so I can show you. Now, and Andy, the owner, it's good news for him. Bit of juice down the port, so I think we'll need some petrol or fresh juice anyway. Obviously, it's been 5 years. She's gonna go. Yeah, that's probably enough. She's trying. Alas. No go. But she's firing and you've got power to the clocks. So although I've got power now to the bike and it is turning over, you can see that these plugs are full barred, so I'm going to swap them out and hopefully then we will have a starter. Right, so I've replaced the plugs, bypassed the ignition, I've got my 50 million year old battery booster for some extra go-go. Extra juice in the Zap box. Let's see, fingers crossed now, she will fire. Ignition bypass, battery booster. Plugs in. Don't have it running too long, but yeah, it's good. She lives.